Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Navitel T787 device, and now I'm gonna show you how to announce caller ID on this tablet. So to do it, just click on the phone application, open the phone application, click on the three dots button on the right top corner of your screen and click settings. Here, scroll down, find caller ID announcement, click on it, and now just choose another caller ID and choose one of these options. So never, only when using a headset, or always, for example, I want to announce only when using a headset. And go back. That's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.